Hello everyone, welcome to NTD Official. Today I help you how to change background for your computer in Word. Okay. Uh, if you feel this video helpful, please subscribe to share everyone. Thank you. Okay, so listen today. Open Word. I have a big computer. This is my computer. Okay, background computer. This is background computer. Okay. So how to change background into any picture, any picture. Okay, very easy. So how you download the picture, for example, Ronaldo. Okay, frames. Football frames. Okay, now again you click insert toolbar, you click here, share. Okay, so click here and select rectangle, click here and draw rectangle anything, and then you right mouse select edit board. Now edit Discord brush. Okay, brush your mouse. Okay, brush. Very easy. Okay, okay. Very easy. Okay. Continue, click rectangle swap and click right mouse and select format and select picture. Okay, picture. Now you select file on Ronaldo picture. Okay, very easy, and close. Okay, so you see resource picture Ronaldo change background as your computer. Very easy. Okay, thank you. If you feel this video helpful, please subscribe, like to share everyone. Thank you so much.